Hello friends, welcome back to our class. My name is Kausalya. In the last few episodes, we've been learning about pair of linear equations. In today's episode, we are going to learn if we are given two equations which are not in the form of linear equation, how do we convert them into a pair of linear equation and find the value of variables. In today's episode, we are going to learn how to convert equations to linear equations. So we are going to call it as equations reducible to linear equations. If you see here, I have two equations. Let us call this as equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Generally, if students see this equation, then they will think that this is not a linear equation because this is not in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, right? This is the standard form of linear equation. Now, let us learn how to convert these two equations to a pair of linear equations. Here, 2 by x can be written as 2 into 1 by x, 3 by y can be written as 3 into 1 by y, 5 by x can be written as 5 into 1 by x, and 4 by y can be written as 4 into 1 by y. So to convert these two equations into a pair of linear equation, we are going to consider 1 by x as u and 1 by y as v. Now let us replace these values in equation 1 and 2. So what do we get? 2 into 1 by x, right? So we are going to write 2 into 1 by x will be u plus 3 into 1 by y. So we are going to write it as 3 into 1 by y is v is equal to 13. Now similarly, the second equation also we are going to replace 1 by x and 1 by y as u and v respectively. So we are going to write 5u minus 4v is equal to minus 2. Now we can use either substitution method or we can use elimination method or Kramer's rule to solve this and to get linear equation. So what are we going to do? Let's write D. I am going to use Kramer's rule. So this is 2, 3, 5 and minus 4. 2, 3, 5 minus 4. So this will become 2 into minus 4 minus 3 into 5. So this is minus 8 minus 15. So this is minus 23. Now let us do du and dv as well. So in the last episode we had written dx and dy, right? Here we are considering the variables as u and v. So I am writing du and dv. So du will be, instead of 2 and 5, we are going to write 13 and minus 2. 13 and minus 2. And this remains the same, 3 and minus 4. So this will be 13 into minus 4 minus 3 into minus 2. This is minus 52. Minus of minus will be plus. 3 into 2 is 6. So this is minus 46. Now dv. So in place of dv, again the second column variables will become 13 and minus 2 and the first column will remain the same as previous one, which is d, 2 and 5. So we are going to write 2, 5, 13 minus 2. So this is 2 into minus 2 minus 13 into 5. So this is minus 4 and minus 65, which is minus 69. Now what do we find? The values of u and v. So now to find out the value of u, we will do du divided by d, which is minus 46 divided by minus 23. Here minus and minus gets cancelled, 23 ones and 23 twos. So u value will be 2. Similarly, v. So v is equal to dv divided by d. What is dv value? Minus 69. And d value is minus 23. Minus and minus gets cancelled, 23 ones and 23 threes. So v value is 3. Now we got the values of u and v. So in order to convert these two equations into a linear equation, we will replace the values of u and v here by 2 and 3 respectively. Because we got the initial equation in the form of x and y, we have to give the answer also in the form of x and y. Here we considered 1 by x as u, and what is u? 2. So this is 2. 1 by y is v. So what is v? v is 3. So to get the value, it will be 1 by x is equal to 2. So x is equal to 1 by 2. And 1 by y is equal to 3. So y is equal to 1 by 3. Now we got the value of x, we got the value of y. So we will replace it here. So initially we had two equations which were not in the form of linear equation. So we converted them into linear equation by replacing 1 by x as u and 1 by y as v. Then we used the Cramer's rule and got the value of u and v. Then replace those u and v value with 1 by x and 1 by y. So we got the value of x and value of y. So x is 1 by 2, y is 1 by 3. I've got another example. Let us see how to solve these. We got two equations and now we have to reduce this to a pair of linear equations. So the equations are 5 divided by x minus 1 plus 1 divided by y minus 2 is equal to 2. 6 divided by x minus 1 minus 3 divided by y minus 2 is equal to 1. So I'm going to call this as equation 1 and the second one as equation 2. So as we did it in the last example, we are going to do it here also. This can be written as 5 into 1 divided by x minus 1. This can be written as 1 into 1 divided by y minus 2. Here this can be written as 6 into 1 divided by x minus 1. This is 3 into 1 divided by y minus 2. So we are going to call 1 divided by x minus 1 as u and 1 divided by y minus 2 as v. So let us replace these values in equation 1 and equation 2. So what do we get? This is 5 into u. So this becomes 5u plus 1v is equal to 2. And in the second equation, when we replace these values, we get 6u plus 3v is equal to 1. Right? Now, we can use substitution method, elimination method or Cramer's rule. In the last example, we used Cramer's rule. So, in this example, let us try to use the substitution method and convert this two equation into pair of linear equation. I am going to call this as equation 3 and this is equation 4. So, I am going to use the equation 3 and find out the value of v. So, here we got 5u plus v is equal to 2. So, v is equal to 2 minus 5u. Now, I am going to replace this value in equation 4. So, this will be 6u plus 3 into v. So, we just got the value here. V is equal to 2 minus 5u. which is equal to 1. Now we just have to simplify this. I'm going to write this here. So this becomes 6u plus 3 into 2 is 6, plus into minus is minus, 3 into 5 is 15u. So this becomes 6 minus 15u is equal to 1. Minus 15u plus 6u will become minus 7u. Let us simplify this. 6u minus 15u will become minus 9u, which is equal to, this is minus 6 plus 1. So here minus 9u is equal to minus 5. So u is equal to minus 5 divided by minus 9. Here minus and minus gets cancelled. So u value is 5 divided by 9. We have the value of u, which is 5 divided by 9, which I am going to replace it in this equation. V is equal to 2 minus 5u. I am calling this as equation 5 and replacing the value. So V is equal to 2 minus 5u. So V is equal to 2 minus 5 into u value is 5 by 9. 5 divided by 9. So V is equal to 2 minus 25 divided by 9. So here we are going to take LCM. So LCM is 9. So here 2 into 9 is 18 minus 25 divided by 9. Now 18 minus 25 is 7 minus 7 divided by 9. So we got the value of V, which is minus 7 divided by 9. We have the values of u and v, which is 5 by 9 and minus 7 by 9 respectively. Now what do? We replace it here because we wrote 1 divided by x minus 1 as u, and we have the values of u. And 1 divided by y minus 2 is v, and we have the value of v. Because we got the question in the format of x and y, we have to write the answer also in the form of x and y. So 1 divided by x minus 1 is equal to u. 1 divided by x minus 1 is equal to, u value is 5 by 9. So x minus 1 is equal to 9 divided by 5. So x is equal to 1 plus 9 divided by 5. Here the LCM is 5. So here 5 plus 9 will be 14. 14 divided by 5. So x value is 14 by 5. Similarly, 1 divided by y minus 2 is equal to v, and we considered here we got the value v as minus 7 by 9. So 1 divided by y minus 2 is equal to minus 7 divided by 9. So y minus 2 is equal to reciprocal minus 9 divided by 7. Let us shift to that side. Y is equal to 2 plus minus 9 divided by 7. So here 7 is the LCM. So y is equal to 2 into 7 is 14 minus 9 divided by 7. So here 14 minus 9 is 5 divided by 7. So value of y is 5 by 7. So we got the values. X value will be 14 by 5. Y value will be 5 by 7. I got another example here. 2x plus y is equal to 2xy. 2x plus 4y is equal to 5xy. Here I am calling this as equation 1 and this is equation 2. So what do? These are two equations. Doesn't look like linear equations. So these two equations doesn't look like linear equations. So we are going to reduce these two equations into a pair of linear equations. So what do? We divide both the equations by xy. So this is 2x divided by xy plus y divided by xy is equal to 2xy divided by xy. Here x and x gets cancelled, y and y gets cancelled, xy and xy gets cancelled. We are left with 2 by y plus 1 by x is equal to 2. Now I am calling this as equation 3. Let us do the same with the second equation. So it is 2x divided by xy plus 4y divided by xy is equal to 5xy divided by xy. xy goes, y goes, x goes. So we are left with 2 by y plus y by x is equal to 5. Let's call this as equation 4. So here we just discussed that this can be written as 2 into 1 by y plus 1 into 1 by x is equal to 2. Here it is 2 into 1 by y plus 4 into 1 by x is equal to 5. Since we did it in the last two examples, we are going to do 1 by y is equal to u and 1 by x we are going to assume as v, and this we are going to replace in equation 3 and 4. So this becomes 2u plus v is equal to 2, and here this is 2u plus 4v is equal to 5. We solved one of the examples using Kramer's rule and the other example using substitution method. Here, if you notice, these two are same, 2u and 2u. So we can use elimination method here. So let us apply elimination method. So for that we are just going to subtract. So this and this gets cancelled. This will be minus 3v is equal to 5 minus 2 will be 3. So minus 4v plus v will become minus 3v is equal to minus 5 minus 2 will become minus 3. So v is equal to minus 3 divided by minus 3, so which is plus 1. So we got the value of v as 1. Now we are going to replace this. So we have the value of v, so we can replace this value either in this equation or in this equation. So this is 5 and this is 6th equation. So I am going to use the 5th equation. 2u plus v is equal to 2, and we got the v value as 1. So this is 2u plus 1 is equal to 2. 2u is equal to 2 minus 1. U is equal to 1 by 2. We have the values of v and u. However, the question was given in the format of x and y. So, like the previous examples, we are going to replace the values here. We assumed 1 by v as u, right? So, u value is here. So, 1 by y is equal to u. So, 1 by y is equal to 1 by 2. So, y is equal to 2. So, this is y value. Similarly, we had assumed 1 by x is equal to v. So, 1 by x is equal to, what is v value? 1. So, x is equal to 1. This is x value. So, using these two equations, we converted them into linear equation and then used elimination method to find out the values of x and y, which is 1 and 2 respectively.
Friends, in today's episode, we have learned how to reduce two equations into a pair of linear equations. We have solved 3 examples and all of them we did it differently. We used 3 methods: substitution method, elimination method and Kramer's rule. So whichever is easy for you, choose that, because you are appearing for competitive exams. It is always wise to save your time and use the best method that you are comfortable with. If you have liked our video, please do hit the like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We will come back to you with more interesting questions in the coming episodes. Until then, keep watching us. Thank you.